You've heard about the wise guys, the guys that walk in, the runners, they wear the top hats, they wear the sunglasses, they wear the beards. They got to try to fool the sportsbook managers because every time they walk in and they put a play in for more than a nickel, more than a dime, they freeze, line check. They try to move the line up a half a point or more because of days like yesterday. Days like yesterday where our sources smashed the books, knocking them down, picking up $15,450 on our early outlaw line releases, then coming in late, smashing them with our hockey sources getting the job done, then smashing them even later with our Costa Rica syndicate, nailing them with a 3-0 sweep, picking up another 4.5 units. Yesterday, if you're a dime better, you pick up $28,450 from all of our sources combined. Now, does that mean you're perfect? Does that mean you win every game? Absolutely not. But these guys don't get to just walk in with their cash and carry ways and drop suitcases on the front of the sports book and say, let me have at it. They got to be crafty. They got to make sure they can get down while the lines don't move. So, you get to subscribe. You get to have access to all of the plays. You get to call your local man, and you get to pick up the phone and deal with me one-on-one. Bottom line is, if you're looking to treat your wagering as a business, not a losing hobby, pick up the phone and call me. Log into the website here at johnsyndicate.com, featured in every Nevada rotation in the sportsbook. Walk into any sportsbook on the strip, you'll see my ad here. Get your betting as a business tutorial. Get your username. Get your password. Find out what it takes to treat your wagering as a business. Because yesterday, we had the hat trick. NHL, 2-0 sweep. NBA, 3-0 sweep. NCAA football, cha-ching, getting the job done. We open the week with college basketball on Friday as my Towson State goes down in flames, getting 14 at Alabama, making me want to sing Sweet Home Alabama as they get smashed on the road. That game wins by a double digit, losing by 28 points, and we had that game circled as our first bomb play early in the season. You got to look at these obscure schools in college basketball. You got to not worry about the top 25 teams. You got to treat your wagering as a business, as I'm featured on sportsbookradio.com each and every week, because syndicate betting is all about getting the right number, and it's not about worrying about whether it's NFL, whether it's football, whether it's basketball, or college and pro. So as I sit here at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time on a Sunday, looking over my shoulder at the New England Indiana Colts game, the bottom line is we're in action with hockey, with some college basketball possibly. Maybe we'll make a move on some second half releases. We're strictly not football centric. We're not worried about what shape the ball is. We are thinking globally, not locally, and we're treating our betting as a business. If you want to make it a November to remember, if you want to make it a December to remember, and you want to march on into a happy new year, remember what I say here each and every day. I sound like a broken record. But when you've been doing this for 27 years, at some point you have to tell a guy what he doesn't want to hear, which is if you want entertainment, go to the movies. But if you want to make money, treat your betting as a business. Because we're sports traders, we're not gamblers, and we don't care what shape the ball is. I don't need to watch any more games. I've watched enough games. I'm strictly in it to win it. And I'm looking to beat the numbers. You can watch my betting tutorials online with my username and passwords. Call me at any of the three numbers on the website, and you too can profit from the same games the wise guys win week in and week out. Happy Sunday. We're marching way into this month. We're looking to make it a November to remember. Thanksgiving is right around the corner. And we'll have that trifecta of NFL football on upcoming Thursday. And then we march into the December upcoming bowl season. But college basketball is here. And now we have huge opportunities on all these little schools that my syndicate specialize in week in and week out. Not to mention international soccer, as always, is in full effect. Good day and good luck. Happy Sunday. And the turkey is right around the corner.